Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear grade 6 students, hello again. I am Ahmed Al Farahati and I wish you all the best of everything. Today, inshallah, we will study Unit 5, The World of Work. Lesson 9. Please open your class book to page 47. This page. What are the aims of this lesson? Let's check. Unit 5, The World of Work. Lesson 9, ClassBook page 47, Activity 1 and page 48, Activity 1. The aims. In this lesson, students will listen and decide what question each person is answering. Do a role play. Let's go to page 47 of your class book. Activity 1. Listen and check. Look at these children from the IKC. They are interviewing members of their family about their jobs. Listen and decide what question each person is answering. Tick the correct question. This 3 is wrong. Yeah. In your book you will find a tick. Tick the correct question. Let's read first. 1. Susie interviewed her sister. Where do you work? What time do you start work? Do you like your job? 2. David interviewed his cousin. What do you do in your job? What time do you start work? Where do you work? 3. Tushi interviewed his dad. What time do you finish work? Do you like your job? What do you do in your job? 4. Maria interviewed her aunt. What do you do in your job? Do you like your job? What time do you start work? Now you are asked to listen and tick the question each person is answering. Then come back to check your answers. Let's listen.
Tape script 5.11. 1.
I work in a gym with lots of exercise machines.
Thanks a lot.
2.
Well, usually I start work at 8:45 in the morning.
Thank you very much.
3.
I fly planes. In fact, I fly people to countries all over the world.
Thanks, Dad.
4.
Yes, I do. It's so exciting. I really love my job.
That's great, thanks.
Now we will listen again and tick the correct question in order to check your answers. Let's listen again.
Tape script 5.11. 1.
I work in a gym with lots of exercise machines.
Thanks a lot.
So this is the question. Where do you work?
2.
Well, usually I start work at 8:45 in the morning.
Thank you very much.
So this is the question. What time do you start work?
3.
I fly planes. In fact, I fly people to countries all over the world.
Thanks, Dad.
So this is the question. What do you do in your job?
4.
Yes, I do. It's so exciting. I really love my job.
That's great, thanks.
And this is the question. Do you like your job? Thank you. Here you have another task. Make 3 lists of all the job words that you know ending in ER, OR, and IST, like teacher, doctor, dentist. You are asked to make 3 lists of all the job words you know. Let's go to page 48. Activity 1. Do a role play. Put the role cards face down in the middle of your desks. Everyone pick up a role card in pairs in your group. Interview each other to find out what your jobs are. You can ask yourself questions like these. Where do you work? What time do you start work? And your friend can answer. Okay, now let's listen to these questions and answers.
Tape script 5.12.
Where do you work?
In an office.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 7 o'clock.
What do you do in your job? I teach people to drive. Do you like your job? Yes, because I like using computers.
Thank you. In this activity you've learned questions about jobs and also you've learned how to answer these questions. By this we've achieved the aims of this lesson. Thank you for following me. Goodbye.